just to strategy for the upcoming session.
पण इथली लास्ट मीटिंग पहिलीच जावपा जाय न्हू तुमचे ते
इंग्लिशीन म्हणलें आम्हाला बेटर लेट दॅन नेवर जाली तितली बरी न्ही.
तुम्ही कितें सजेशन
सगळे आसले ओपोजिशन सगळे ओपोजिशन
सगळे पार्टीज तरी आशिल्ले सगळे पार्टीज आशिल्ले आमदार नाशिल्ले.
एबसेंट कोण आसले एबसेंट
एक रुजूच
बेंजी आसले तांचे
आरजी आमदार.
So how you see the Manoj Parab statement last time regarding that he apologized to the...
I don't comment on the matter. I don't know whether it is serious. It could be a prank. Why to waste your time, my time, and then later on it's called as a prank.
It could be prank.
Can't say no. They said it in the past. So experience has to teach us something. So you have to better keep away.